Kasi pangit yung hapon dito.
Yung mga tatlong kanta pwede pa malagay dyan.
When we did some tour in the United States with Society of Seven. By the way, I performed with the Society of Seven. They're all men, actually. Society of Seven, bali walo sila. Hindi nakuha. Hindi nakuha. Ulitin ko kaya. You know guys, so English ulit ito, English. You know guys, I performed in Las Vegas with a Society of Seven. Bali, walo sila. You know what? It is a great privilege for me to perform with this man. They're very talented, and since puro sila lalaki, they treat me as the only princess in their group. And I've learned so many things from them, especially the leader of the group. He was the one who forced me to dance. You know naman, every time gumagawa ako ng show dito, di ba? Anybody seen my major concerts? Yeah! So anyway, di ba pag nag-perform ako, syempre pag dance number na, di ba? Ang dami kong dancers, di ba? Sila ni ganyan lang. Ganun lang ako. But there, you just cannot do that. You have to do some dancing, you have to do some acting, and of course, some singing. So, doon ko natutunan ng lahat-lahat na yun. In other words, doon ko ako natutong kumapal ang mukha. Ano yun? Ng ano? Ng dance?
Sample! Sample!
Please,
More!
wag! Sabi ko agad! Mababa pa yung sipa ko eh. Wag! Ano ba? Sandali. Split!
Nakaway ah.
Bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Napakagandang awitin. Yep. Yun nga, as I was saying, when we go from one state to another, kinakanta ko itong bukas na lang kita mamahalin. So, yung mga performances namin, hindi lang naman Pilipino umaattend doon eh. More or less 50% na Filipino, 50% yung locals, mga puti, mga Cajun. So we have to tell them kung anong ibig sabihin ng bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Marvin, anong ibig sabihin ng bukas na? Bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Tomorrow, I will expensive you. High maintenance, in other words. Let's go to the next song, my dear friend.
Record mo na to.